Good morning, guys. Happy Castiron Wednesday. Today what we're going to be doing is another side. This is going to be one that I make a lot, but it's usually in the camp ovens when I make this. But it's the creamy corn with, usually I use jalapenos, but I'm going to be testing out the Serranos. They're supposed to be about 5 times hotter than the jalapenos, so I'm going to use a little, fewer in there, but still should turn out pretty good. If I use too much, it'll be pretty hot, so either way, it's still going to be really, really good. Alright guys, we've got everything chopped up, cut up, and ready to go. All we got to do is mix this together, and instead of the other cast iron dish, I'm going to be using my large Dutch oven. We're just going to cook it on top of the stove, and we'll get everything ready and get it on the stove. Alright guys, she's on the stove, ready to go. Put my temperature at about a 4, which is medium low. Let it sit here and cook. I did add about half a cup of milk to it, just to add the moisture to it, so once it gets up to temperature, it'll steam and it'll cook everything a little faster. But it's going to be a little while, so we'll check it when it's done. Alright guys, this is what you're wanting to see. The corn is mixed in well with the cream cheese and the Serranos. Everything bowled up good. Now I lowered the temperature on it, so it's been just sitting here simmering for a while. I've got the temperature all the way down on a low right now, so you could eat it now, or you could just let it simmer for a little bit longer. But y'all definitely need to try this one out. It is awesome. Hope everybody has a great Wednesday and the rest of the week, and I'll see you next Wednesday. I'm not sure on what kind of video I'll be putting out next week because I'll be down in San Antonio, but we'll see if we can find something interesting to do.